So this is the first job opening that we have, which is in Abu Dhabi, that is in UAE, right? So they are hiring on-site full-time employee for the cybersecurity role. Now, what are the roles they have? They have senior pen testers, IT, cloud engineer, head of sales, browse, business development manager, OT security engineer. And now what they have looking for? So they want someone with experience. They want someone with the skills and all those things, right? This is the mail ID on which you can apply for the job. This is subject line, position applied full time, and that's what we have right now. The next opening is VFPT security lead, right? And they are looking for someone who can join their team who should have minimum of 6 years of experience. You can see here they have mentioned they want 6 years of experience in vulnerability assessment and pen testing. It's in Delhi and Bangalore based job, right? And you should have great understanding of technologies, security challenge. Why join them, right? So there are a couple of questions because they have a lot of project and you will get some practical exposure. And this is a mail ID, careers at eventualsecurity.com, which is the company name is Eventual Security. Now again, someone is hiring for the SIM, which is for the Microsoft Sentinel units to use. 4 to 10 years experience required. Mumbai and Pune is the work location, and this is what you can say the key skills. Microsoft Sentinel, architecture and designs, SIM, migration, SQL, Splunk, and all those things you can see here. They want you have Microsoft SC200 and Splunk certification. CTS Tech is basically another company name is what they have. This is Lakshmi.Naidu at ctstech.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume, right? Now this is what they have. Oh wow, what it's opening. Oh, that's great. Now next is someone is hiring for the cybersecurity team. Okay, they are looking for the talent, 1 to 2 years experience, right? And you should have basic understanding of networking, you should have basic understanding of operating system and all those things, right? And this is mail ID info@unlimited innovation.com is the mail, right? On which you can apply, right? This is what we have. Now you can ask your question. Thank you very much. Have a